Here is a very simple way to convert your fiat money into crypto using the Cash App. If you'll see here, I've got $110 in my Cash App, and I'm going to convert it to Bitcoin. Simple process. You may have to KYC, know your customer, authorize your Cash App account. Okay, so put in the amount of your Daisy contribution plus 10%. So simple example here, 100 plus the 10%. Go over here, click on enable withdrawals, and then click continue. They're going to, if you haven't already KYC'd, ask you to verify with your driver's license. Super simple. Just scan the front of your driver's license. It's going to ask you to scan the back of it. And then put down here, the main reason you use Bitcoin is for investing. Your main source of income, put occupation. Your employment status, I clicked self-employed. My job title as marketing consultant. And you can pause this if you need to and rewind, of course. Name of your business, give it a name. I just put in Marketing Pros. This isn't actually a registered DBA. They're going to verify this information. Click on the done. It takes a little bit. It's going to show you here verification and process. Mine took just a few minutes. Give it a chance to verify, then go back in, open, click on that squiggly line at the bottom, and then you have the ability to buy Bitcoin. You see that you can toggle between stocks and Bitcoin. Go to the Bitcoin, click on buy, hit the dots or the menu, and fill in the amount. The amount of your contribution plus 10%. So if you're doing level 1, 110. If you're doing level 2, it would be 330. Confirm. You can see when I did this, it was at 23,000. It's now up over 29,000. So that's made me money. So I've purchased 0.004. Gives me 107.77. Of course, there are some fees. We call them gas fees, right? Trading fees. This is why we start with more than we actually wanted. I got a confirmation email from my Proton Mail that my Cash App is connected to. Now I'm going to click on that send arrow, and I'm going to send Bitcoin, and I'm going to send the amount. I can send it in Bitcoin, okay, and just put the full amount there, the decimal equivalent. See there, I made the little arrow. I've got 0.0045. And that's the 107.70. I'm going to enter in here my Bitcoin wallet address that I want it to go to. That is going to be, for most of us, a Binance account. Before I open my Binance app, I confirm that my VPN is running. I use iplocation.net to confirm that my location is showing outside of the United States. Just make sure it's wherever outside. I've got mine set to Switzerland. Oh, it looks like my Binance app needs to be updated. I did that. Now I'm going to open it. And I'm in the Binance app. I'm going to click here on markets. And I'm going to get my Bitcoin wallet address here. So search in the coin pairs. I'm going to look for the TRX Bitcoin pair. There it is. So I'm going to use that Bitcoin that I transferred into the Binance wallet to buy the TRX Tron. Just to make a quick order, we're not talking about a substantial amount of money here. We can use a market order, simple enough. You can see here it's making me log in. I thought I was logged in, maybe because quick, do not complete that authentication. Make sure you do not complete that authentication. Click here, we're going to go to the spot wallet, and you can see here I'm going to deposit that Bitcoin from CashApp into the Bitcoin wallet. So I'm searching for Bitcoin, and see their copy address. There's the wallet address in Binance. Now this is my wallet address, so you're welcome to send me Bitcoin, but please don't. Get your wallet address, and you're going to come back over here and copy it into CashApp. Now that's your Binance wallet address. We confirm that we want to send that Bitcoin from CashApp to the Binance wallet. You'll put in your PIN number, and we've initiated a withdrawal now. And it takes a few minutes to clear the blockchain. You can see here it's no longer in CashApp. And go back over to my Binance app, click back, and look, it's arrived. I've got 107.51 now. Remember, I started with 110. So click here on markets. And then I'm looking for the BTC trade pairs. And I'm going to search for TRX/BTC. That's the Tron Bitcoin pair. And I'm the trading pair there, TRX BTC. And I'm going to click here. And I'm going to just buy at a market price, buying at the market price that's relevant. Again, it's not a large amount. I'm going to buy that TRX with the maximum of the Bitcoin, and that trade now has been executed. When I click here on Tron, it looks like it has arrived. So now I'm going to withdraw that Tron TRX, and I want to send that to my Tron Link TRX wallet address. So I've got to go over to Tron Link and capture that wallet address. So click there on the TRX, and I'm going to click on the receive. That'll give me my wallet address. Copy that wallet address. Go back over to Binance and paste that wallet address in. So that's going to send the Tron from Binance to Tron Link. I want to hit the max amount and click on withdraw, confirming that withdrawal. And if you're using 2FA, two-factor authentication, I love the Google Authenticator. So I'm going to confirm that order now. Waiting for the authorization code that I type in here from the Google Authenticator. And that withdrawal request has been submitted. It will now then clear the blockchain and be transferred into my Tron Link wallet address. Let me see if I pull down to refresh. And there it is. So there's the 3,300 Tron that I sent over. And you can see the Tron price at the time, 3.15 cents. So the 33.8561 in Tron. At the 3.15 cents is $106. So that's my goal. We got to keep an eye on that. We got to make sure that that number stays above the amount of your contribution. So whether it be 100 or 300 or 700, whatever, 1500, just go up to the levels. and that's what we've got to make sure of. So that basically from the 110 starting out, ending up with the 106.61, that cost me 3.38% in gas fees, transfer fees, and everything. So you're good to go. Again, the goal, you got to make sure that you have $100 or $300 or $700 or $1,500. Whatever the amount of your contribution has got to be what is sitting in your TronLink wallet on Monday morning for the launch.